So guys, let's take a look at our Euro USD. So the prediction we actually predict last was actually correct, where we predicted that this Euro USD will actually give us a bearish move for the day. We can take a look at it, right? So we actually had a bearish move. Now we would want to see the next movement that would be made for the next day, which is on the front, right? Now, before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. Click on the subscribe button, like, and also make your comment. I'd love to watch out for it. So the full trend for this Euro USD, right, is actually on a bearish move, right? So the reason why we are having this bearish move on this Euro USD is that our USD itself is giving us a bullish move. That is to tell you that any other pairs against our USD will give us a bearish move. So as our USD is giving us that bullish move, then we would be seeing a bearish move on our Euro to USD. So now that we've had this bearish move, right, for the day, right, the next day, which is on the 4th, we'll see this Euro USD drop and take out a level of 0.97065. So watch out for this level and possibly come to take out this level. So possibly price should actually drop to a level of 0.96355. So we are looking at two levels where price will definitely take out for the next day. The first level is 0.97065. If price can take out this level and it drops further down, then we will see it drop to a next level of 0.96355. So that is it, Euro USD, we are on a bearish move. Secondly, is that this moving average, we've included this moving average, which is 10. We all know the rules of trading it. Once the price is above the 10 period moving average, we have to go long, right? But if it is below it, we have to short it. So clearly we can see it. For some times, neutral last week, it was actually above the moving average. Reason why we had that bullish move throughout last week on our Euro USD. Now we are on a bearish move this week, and we can see that this price is below our 10 period moving average. This is an indication. This is to tell you that you are to actually short this Euro USD. So first of all, we want to short it down to this level. From here to this down level will give us about 47 pips, right? And if price can drop further down, this will be giving us about 119 pips. So I very much believe that price will actually drop to a level of 0.96355. But at least we should be able to grab close to 100 pips there on Euro USD. It just depends on how you actually place this trade. So on this daily time frame, we are bearish, right? We have to short it. Now to actually place this trade itself, I want us to go to the 4-hour time frame. So take a look at this movement on this 4-hour time frame. This is a drop we had on Euro USD. Here comes the correction. And now this is the drop, right? Here comes the correction. We've seen another bearish move. Here comes the correction. Here is the drop, right? If you notice that this drop, we're breaking this previous drop, right? As we're having this drop, which is the lower lows, lower highs will be made, then a new lower lows will be made. That will break the previous lower lows, right? And here comes the correction. Now we've seen this new lower lows. So possibly if you can wait for the correction to be over, right? I don't believe the correction is over, right? I still want to see a little bit of a bullish move. Possibly if you see this bullish move like a correction, then you can enter to jump on this trade on Euro USD and drop it further down. So it just depends on how early you are watching it on when you are watching it. Possibly price should have gone further than that. So it depends on it. Above all, we would be expecting a bearish move on our Euro USD. And again, if you take a look at this price on our 4-hour time frame, the price is below our moving average. Assuming this price was above our 10 period moving average, the advice would be that try and stay out of this trade, right? If it is above the moving average, try and stay out of this trade. But clearly we can see it is below our moving average. So still an indication we are on a bearish move and we are to short it. So once again, let us take it this let's be able to take out this level, and if price drops further down, we should be able to take out this low on our Euro USD. Same thing with our 1-hour time frame, still on a bearish move. By the way, you can take a look at this lower lows and lower highs that is being made on our Euro USD.